wants one pink. It's okay if it's like 2. Fuck.
Wait, we're just doing one dread, right? I got carried away. I was like giving you a scalp massage. Oh my god, your gloves. Oh my god, my boss is gonna kill me. I'm sorry, but oh my god. Well, I just kind of just like talking and I forgot what I was doing. This is how I do my hair. I'm sorry. Hey guys, it's Victoria X-Rave here and it's like 100 degrees outside and I'm gonna go outside and dye in my new friend's hair. Okay, let's go.
There she is.
Getting my B-roll. Hi. How are you? Look at this dread gang. We are in Echo Park, Los Angeles right now, Echo Lake Park. I filmed so many videos here. We're gonna be dyeing her hair with Era hair dye right now, and if you guys wanna get this, it's all vegan and natural and blah, blah, blah. And you get it in the links below, and you get a discount. That's... How do you want your hair dyed? Pink all over? And she wants to be like me. Yes. I'm in love with Victoria. Just do a bunch of colors. This is gonna be insane, guys! I'm sweating, like it's like dripping sweat right now.
Yeah. What about like all the little cool things you have in here?
Oh, that's totally okay. Just go right over them and I'm gonna put more stuff over it. I haven't gotten my roots touched in so long. This feels great.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like with dreadlocks, it's like when someone like touches your like, it's like just like I find like guys are like scared to like they don't know how to like I'll give them like a hair massage or whatever. They'll be like scared to touch my dreadlocks because they don't know how to deal with them. They'll be like
Like tiny baby hands.
yeah.
Such a good scalp massage. You guys should try this sometime. Alright, so we just finished doing her hair. She's not really my girlfriend, by the way, I forgot to say that. But look at this beautiful masterpiece. Go ahead and put it like all back in the back. Let's see here. What? She's a work of art, guys. Look at this. Go follow her. I'll put her channel in the description. She just started doing YouTube. Ice cream. And thank you guys so much for watching this. Bye. Technical issues are my life. Alright, that should work. Nice, thanks. People like YouTube videos to be an escape from their reality.